Inserting text into your design is now much easier. Any of the system fonts, including those made through 60 Quick Font, can be added. If I select the function on the top toolbar, up comes the newly designed dialog. At the top is the font selection, with below a control to enter the size, but like all our lettering, this is just a starting point. The lettering size can always be changed later. In this case, I want 50 mm. The green highlight shows the letters available in the font. On all the fonts that come with the system, this will be the character set. However, if you use 60 Quick Font or the new 60 Font Digitizing module to create your fonts, you may not have all the characters available. Select the letters you want by either clicking once and then clicking Insert, or by double clicking. The letter is then inserted into the design at the bottom left corner. Likely as not, it will not be in the correct position, so just pick it up and move it to where you want. When you enter the next letter, it will be placed next to it automatically. Unfortunately, the automatic kerning which we have in 60 Embroidery is not available in 60 Design Creation, so you may need to move the letters around to get exactly what you want. To make the creation of simple shapes such as circles and squares, we have added 75 shapes, which can be created at any size in fill or outline with just one click. As you may know, I love my old cars, so I will select shape 33, a heart, from the drop-down list. I can then choose either the fill plus border or the border only option. I'll use the fill plus border option. The shape is then created at the centre of the design area, selected and ready to move into position or resize as desired. We have a new fill type in 60 Design Creator, Echo Fill. You may have noticed this in the new 60 Quilt Block Wizard in Embroidery Extra. Any closed area can be made into an echo fill. To add just a little bit more pizzazz, let's now add an echo to the heart. There are a number of ways to do this. However, the simplest is to first select the heart, then go to the Edit menu, select Copy, and then select Paste. Now, as in all 60 modules, the Paste function will paste the design back into the work area at the same position, so it has pasted the new heart exactly on top of the original heart. All I now do is right-click on the heart, up comes the properties. I will turn off the satin border, change the fill type to external lines and a 2 mm gap, and click Apply. So let's just take a moment to go through those important changes to the copy and paste functions. As 5D users, you probably have been using the copy and paste functions to produce multiple copies of a design in either in 5D Embroidery or in 5D Design Creator. This of course will still work, as we have seen, but may at times confuse you as nothing appears to have happened. If you want to make another copy of a design or object, better to use the duplicate function, which will do this in one click. If I create from the shapes a star, let's take star 26, I'll just pick it up, place it where I want, resize it a little and rotate it, go to the Edit menu, then select Duplicate. Another star is then created slightly offset, selected and ready to be repositioned. A nice editing addition is the ability to edit points as you go. If, for instance, I want to add some more lines to the wheel arch to emphasize the curve more, first I'll zoom in. If I start placing the points and I misplace one, I can just move my cursor over the point I wish to move, and the cursor will change to a move cursor, and then I can click and drag the point to where I want it. Edit one or all the points, and then when ready to carry on, just start left clicking. If you've forgotten where you were, just look for the yellow point, as that was the last one placed. Another new feature to the editing is the ability to reverse the stitching direction of objects. For instance, with this line I created, I wanted to have the stitching go up the wheel arch rather than down. as it would then be nearer where I was going to digitize next. All I need to do this, with the line still selected, is go to the object menu, select Reversal, Reverse Line, and look what happens to the start and end markers on the object and on the film strip. I'll just repeat that, and so turn it back to how it was. Red marker at the top. Click on Reverse, and now the red marker is at the bottom. So those were just some of the changes from 5D Design Creator to 6D Design Creator. Happy digitizing!